London is one of the city yang sangat teruja atau sangat excited bila I ke sana. Sebab masa I kecil dulu ada uncle I, dia ada beli satu 3D puzzle iaitu Big Bang 3D puzzle. Sampai sekarang pun tak siap lagi. And when I go to London and I see the real Big Bang, I was like, it reminds me of my childhood in a way. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons untuk you travel ke London one day. Hi, I'm Ritz from Our Stories. Yang pertama adalah shopping. I believe you and I love shopping very much, and I think most of you pun tahu London sangat sinonim dengan high quality items ranging from affordable to high end punya products. So ada beberapa tempat yang I think you should go for shopping, for example like Oxford Street, Westfield, Bicester Village dan macam-macam lagi. Yang kedua adalah mereka punya historical attraction. As you know, London is one of the oldest cities in the world, so there are a lot of historical attractions that you should visit. For example, like Buckingham Palace, Tower Bridge, Big Ben dan sebagainya. Yang ketiga, London pun agak popular dengan mereka punya parks and gardens. So kepada sesiapa yang berminat dengan jogging atau enjoying the view, you should experience it once when you are in London. From my experience, masa I lepak di Hyde Park with my friends, I used to be a videographer. So during sunset, especially I was looking for golden hour. So mereka punya golden hour sangat-sangat cantik. Dan good news kepada football lovers, especially Arsenal dan Chelsea fans, mereka punya home ground stadium adalah di London. So if you are in London, this is your opportunity for you to visit mereka punya home ground stadium. But for me, of course, I have to go to Manchester dulu, Seoul dulu, baru I pergi stadium di London. Last but not least, apart from mereka punya historical buildings, of course mereka pun ada modern buildings. So kepada sesiapa yang berminat untuk experience mereka punya skyline, you can come to the Shard or Sky Garden, di mana you can see the city from the bird eye view. Well, I hope this video sedikit sebanyak dapat memberikan some info kepada you untuk you visit ke London nanti, dan kepada sesiapa yang berminat untuk membuat booking, you can always click the link in bio to check out our package. I'm Ritz. I'll see you in the next one.